Open up your WordPress site and make sure you're in the design editor. Select whereabouts on the post or page you want to add your Visme form. I want mine to go right at the bottom of my page, just here. Next, you want to add a block by going up to the top left-hand corner of your WordPress page and clicking on this plus icon here, which is the block inserter. I can also add a block by clicking inside this section here and then clicking on the plus icon. Next, you want to add custom HTML. You might want to click on Browse All to open up a menu in the side column of all the blocks you can add. Scroll down until you find Custom HTML. You might find it under Widgets. Once you've found it, click on Custom HTML. Now paste the code you just copied in Visme into this box here. You can now preview your Visme form by clicking on Preview. And there it is, and that is all there is to adding a Visme form to a WordPress website. Let's have a look at adding a Visme pop-up form to WordPress. It's very important to note that in order to achieve this, you must install a plugin. And for that, you must upgrade your account to either Creator or Entrepreneur, because these two accounts will enable you to install plugins and themes. You'll find a link to all the plugins you might need in the left-hand side column on your WordPress dashboard. So click on the link to plugins and select a suitable plugin from the marketplace. I'm going to select Elemental because it's free, it's easy to set up, but most importantly, it will allow me to insert my own custom code into my website. So I'm going to click to install and activate the plugin. Another important point to note is that before you install your first plugin or custom theme, WordPress will switch the domain from wordpress.com to this new domain. This cannot be undone. If you're happy to proceed, click on Continue and wait a few minutes for WordPress to set up your plugin. Once that's done, go back to your WordPress dashboard and you can start installing your Visme pop-up. So again, in the left-hand column above plugins, you'll find a link to Appearance. Click Appearance and select Themes. Select the active theme you're using. Select Patterns and then Footer and click on the footer. You're now going to go ahead and add a new block by either clicking the plus icon to open up the block inserter, or you can click this plus icon here to add a new block. You'll need to select Browse All, and then on the left-hand side, scroll down until you find Custom HTML. Click on that. I'm just going to drag this underneath. And what you're going to do is go over to Visme, make sure you have the pop-up thumbnail selected. Also ensure you've got your settings correct. So I want the pop-up to appear after a viewer scrolls past 50%, so that button is toggled to the on position. Under Advanced Settings, I also want the pop-up to appear on every visit. I now need to copy the code underneath by clicking Copy Code. Going back into WordPress, I'm going to paste the code that I've just copied in Visme into this box right here. In the top right-hand corner of your WordPress toolbar, click on Save and now view your site. So let's see, if I scroll down beyond 50%, my pop-up should appear. And there it is. And that is how to add a Visme pop-up in WordPress.